Hey, what's happening, y'all? It's your boy, Chef J20. I'm here to make a really nice drink. We're going to be doing a spiked lemonade. Listen, I got this Au Vodka in the other day. I've been seeing it all over social media, so I want to give this a try. It's Labor Day weekend, so it's a drink that you can definitely pull out for like the barbecues, the picnics. I know the summer is basically over, but hey, this is a recipe you can keep. Run this back again next year, springtime, summertime. Share this with your friends and family. All right, so boom, all you need, vodka, a shaker, we got some strawberries, fresh mint, grenadine, and some soda water, and whatever flavor of lemonade you like. Me, I'm gonna be using plain lemonade. So what you wanna do, get your shaker bottle, fill it up with ice. We're gonna do 2 ounces. Gonna go ahead and grab our lemonade. You're gonna fill your bottle all the way up to the top. You add some fresh mint to it, just pick it apart. I don't have a muddler, so this is the way I wanna do it. So we'll give it that real nice, fresh, crispy taste. Some good flavor. Gonna stick it up real good. I went and bought these nice little ice molds, make like little spheres. So I'm gonna drop 2 of these in there. You're gonna get your grenadine, get you a little bit in the bottle, about 2 ounces, about 1 ounce of the soda water. Got this nice little straining thing that I like to use. Put that right on top. Nice. Got a nice strawberry. Garnish with fresh mint. And there you go. Real easy to make. Let me see what this tastes like. This will be my first time trying this vodka. Let me see. Damn. That's kind of smooth. It was real smooth, actually. I like that. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Till next time.